All right, let's make a real quick video. If you're trying to update your MPC and you're trying to connect it to with the Ethernet cord, the MPC one, you're trying to connect it to the Ethernet cord, and when you go to menu and then you go to preference and then you connect it, it says connected, but then when you go to activate the plugins and it just gets stuck on this and don't move. It just don't move at all. What you need is, let me show you. Where is that? I guess there's something wrong with the Ethernet port. So what you need is, instead of connecting it straight to the Ethernet port, you need the USB to Ethernet. Once you connect that, let's go ahead and connect it now. And plug that out. It's hard to do it with one hand. Alright, so I plugged the Ethernet in that end. And now we got to plug it into the USB. Back here. Inside the USB. Now, once you plug it into the USB, see everything is lighting up now? Look, it goes to the login. Now you can log in and get the QR code. All right, so that's just a quick fix, what you can use instead of directly to the Ethernet. All right, peace.